Art ensures the pupils in your classroom are always engaged. It's a great way to get their attention and support their well-being. Using art to teach all aspects of the curriculum allows teachers to fit more of it into their timetable. Thinking skills, literacy, oracy, science, maths, IT are all suitable for incorporating into art. Take history. Your pupils could start out by looking at pictures of Roman busts and discussing what they think the people being depicted were like and how they lived. After this, they could examine some Roman artifacts using torches to explore light and shade before sketching these artifacts. Sketching is a great way to encourage your learners to look closely at objects and really notice the small details.
You're remembering to look at what you're drawing as well, yeah?
Or maybe maths. You could start with an examination of honeycomb, which could lead you to explore the lives of bees, or form the starting point for a project about tessellating shapes. You could use art to teach your class about animals, or the science of light, or just about anything you can think of.
Ooh, look at that.